born with nothing. I mean, you have some people who come get inheritance and all them kind of thing there. See? And you have some people where go out there and them work very hard. See? You hear them say, look at cattle and see them. But some people work very hard and go so boom and attain what them have in this life, yeah. And them way there. But even when you work hard and you attain what you have in this life, yeah, you still can't carry it with you, you know. You can't carry it going nowhere with you. You get what I say? You can't carry it going nowhere with you.
Somebody said when you first realize you love Kizzy.
I tell them say the realness we're in our heart, and that's why the love tighten up like this. Believe me, I tell you, the realness we're in this earlier.
Realness, you know me?
Yeah, man, that's the realness. Believe me.
Yeah,
because we know say, you know, off the camera we're going to raise upon levels and all them kind of thing there. You see, based on where this girl coming from, based on our humble beginning and all them thing there, and the pure heart that she have. Because I say, I know our family them, you know. I don't know all our sister them, like, know all of them, but I know few of them and them thing there. And I always see how, you know, she try to look out for all our family them, all our cousin them, and yo, when me tell you say, you babes will have 10 grand in our bag, see, I tell you about 10 Jamaica grand in our bag, and a little family call her and a little family call her, and the 10 grand she have, you know, and say she could do something with it already, and as a little family call her and say XY said, she can't all like go give them, and she don't know if she'll get it back. You get what I say? Groovers, no man, believe me now. Groovers, let me tell you something. Me can't depend on earth so long if you don't understand style and understand fakeness and don't know and don't know realness. You get what I say? Me would be the dumbest human being for the on earth and don't understand what is realness, brother. You get what I say? Trust one. You not lose. Him say, alright now, him calm down. You calm down, you know, Groovers, believe me. Believe me, man. You see, if things is shaky and them way there, me not forward panda something, yeah. You get what I say? If things is shaky, me not forward panda this, because you think me I go try to do something to embarrass myself down the line and them thing there? No, brother. If me never see realness in her and them thing there. Come on now. Remember saying no. We've been around this world, you know. We've been around this world, brother. We're still going places in this world, yeah. And them things. So we meet a lot of people from time to time. And if you see me can go so boom and stop and say, hold on them, man, draw breaks right or so. Something there so different, man. And when me and I reason, me I say, hold on then. What go on there so? You know? I mean I reason again and thing I read I say, nah man. And then I watch her actions, or she deal with her like family them and and the whole thing I say, but people like them I still make with this pure art, yeah. When I tell you say the girl have a pure art, she would have given her everything. She would have given, sometimes me have to stop her and say, no babes, hold on. She would have given her everything how pure her heart is. She don't have not an ounce of bad mind in her, none of them kind of thing there. You know what I mean? She goes to boom and she get her vehicle, she call her sister them, she's so happy. She call her sister, she call her little sister and say, yo, come in a town and come check me. Me go teach her to drive. I'm a watch her. Me not say nothing, I just watch her. You know. And I say she have her little sister and have her teach her to drive every day. She and her round the place. Every day I teach her sister to drive as she get her vehicle. See, to the point where she say, alright, I feel like I can manage the vehicle a little bit now. No. Go on the road and come back. You know, just the little things more time. just the little things. More time, you can use it and assess and know, say, yo, you see this person here? Them are just pure. Seeing, as I tell you, she have some little cousin and she have some little people, them link her, and from them link her, I tell you, say, her last, she will just take it and just give them. She just give them and not watch no face.
Me not stop for your local time because sometimes give them your last, they not feel like your last. So
No, them
not appreciate
them,
it.
yeah, them, you know, them, through them not understand. Sometimes, you know, cause more time, them go feel like, say, boy, cause them see a life look away, them will feel like if you just have it every day. But it can't go that way because sometimes, why I have to stop her sometimes, you know, I mean, she prioritize the right set of things, you know, seeing because, you know, so she have things I do, and them way there, and remember, when me meet her,
Somebody call me.
Answer. Tell her what happened live. That? Yeah, live what happened. Yeah, go and watch it live. Yeah. So listen, when me meet her, so me meet her and you know we decide to take things serious and really. Believe me, people. I know me come teach her sense and teach her and tell her what to prioritize. Me come see her and look about house, you know. Me come see her and do them kind of thing there, you know.
I thought me I wonder if they think me is a papa. Or me
No, me come see her and look about them thing there. Me I say, for this girl at this age, I go so boom and me I say, alright. So we say now, we go and party down a thing there, you know, where I say XYZ.
No.
And she said no to me.
No.
She said no. She said no. She said, listen, if I that depend no, that me really depend still, you know.
Tell him straight,
See,
yes.
Yeah, she tell me say no. See,
Tell him
me
say no.
there me I try figure out, come here try figure out like what should I like for do and all them kind of things.
Like what you tell
See?
me, say we're going to fly in and you go for the...
Alright, the other day I tell her say, because you know the weekend we keep at Ochika. No dream weekend never used to miss me. No dream weekend.
I mean never got dream weekend.
And no what them call the other one? Best weekend. The other day my brethren them from New York linked me up and them said to me, say, yo, keep up. We have got wait name there. Best weekend. Seeing and them say, yo, bro, get a linking up and the hotel now can get the room them on a price and rent.
No, see 2.5 in say or something like that. I don't remember what you
so
said.
yeah, about
2,500.
2,500. Yeah, US fit. I think the whole about 3D or something like that. Something what sandals, you know, and most of the people them thinking, oh, Jesus peace.
About that fee. About that fee.
You see me? But anyway, when them link me and thing and rare dog, them say, yo, watch them go link up and thing and rare and dog, you and Kizzy forward and thing and rare. I'm go so boom now and I say, babes.
Come excited.
Yeah, I say, babes, you know say, best weekend, you know, and thing, you know.
Yeah.
We go down there, you know, because you are going now. Because it's true, me just a forward on the whole TikTok thing, you know. So me like get my little video them if you can post. Then I say, babes, you know, say,
can get some content.
Yeah, we'll go down there and go get little video for post, you know, on the thing and rare and what have you. See? And she goes to boom and say, no excitement in her thing when she say,
I'm not busy with that.
She say, oh, babes, answer me so. And then me, she said to me, say, Alan.
Welcome to the house.
Welcome to the house.
Let me tell you what we say.
She say, yo, me come make the room them like sandals.
Yes, hold on. You know, coach, I'm going to tell them something right now. I'm going to tell them something.
Yo.
You don't follow no Kizzy. And me just a person way. When you know me from the start with a bush, back a bush in a barrel, you know, a whole rag around my head. You don't tell me when they never check my page and see me up on a hotel balcony. People don't feel bad by me. Me could enter the money and go hard at the hotel them and me see them watch man, woman, dog, rat and cow, gone a bar he principle, gone up this or gone this or gone this or. Tell me when you ever see me up on one of them balcony there. And right. Tell me, well I'm there.
Yeah.
Tell me, how often you see me in one club, send me the pop buckle and tell me.
Watch her again. I'm gonna show you my next thing again. Look here now. Groovers, make me reason with you. You know say, alright. You know say she get the Benz and everything and Ray. You know say we come to Jamaica yeah, so. And until we soon leave Jamaica. You know say the vehicle park out there. I'll know she you know some girl that go so boom now and them have Benz to drive out and all them kind of thing there. Them a tell us say yo, them go link them girlfriend round so. And them and them girlfriend gone round so and them gone so and Ray. The vehicle park out there so.
Guys,
the vehicle she don't start it from she come here.
Would you believe
if from she come here, it don't start.
You would believe me say I never drive that car that Uchi.
I swear, Groovers, I swear.
I never drive that car that Uchi.
It out the park up, and it's a bill. We just say, yo, come, we could jump now in a van there, so and Ray, because we have it as like a low profile vibe and Ray, why not the glass of our gun?
I know.
See, and well, she have a little weight name there too. What I carry the name, next carry the undercover.
Nigga, Trina want the bills.
You give your sister that too?
Then for you to live with her, must give me care, and can care and take it back. I'll give me care, they come care over a wall foot and they send her go hard way. I have to give her one care.
Alright.
Me just never feel like you know, you question me.
More time we in that, you know, and thing and Ray and thing. You see me? But you know, it's a be where you know when you observe some little things and thing, you know, say boy, Jano.
What is that say now?
Yeah. Alright, in Ghana now.
Tell them about the story with the hotel babe. Say,
yeah.
When we tell us about the house, when they say you want to pay 2,500, which is equivalent to 300 and almost 400,000 Jamaican. You tell me say you want to go
first thing with she, I tell you something with she. Every time you tell her about nothing for pay, like you gotta do something or whatever, she start check the money in her Jamaica money. And I say, what foreign you there? You can't check money like that.
Me not your favor. That not with me.
She started to say, but that's how much thousand in Jamaica money. That's how much in Jamaica. And she can calculate how much in Jamaica.
Because
so just make me feel bad. I don't want to think them more time. Yeah.
You have to tell me say, you want to make a hotel for 3 days. I spend almost 400,000.
No,
I mean, house, I don't win that. I don't depend on here. I look at my team say, make the house be a hotel. I
swear that she said to me. That she said to me. Because you know, it's true me not a man where me not party every night and anything. Apart from the time it said me that do the promotion with the song and me go in at the dance them and you know when I support the dance and because I promote your new song and what have you. So me have a song named Gone Up and me that promote na the
you spend 5 million pound Gone Up and so, switch party Gone I must sit down. Boy. Sing peace out and ask them if one of them do the word.
Then I know it, me shame.
Mother never sang. I come to the camera. Mother never sang where every night he friend named call him and say, yo DJ, you sang a go on the DJ. Yo, you have to go send 100,000 make that man up Wednesday and a man up so 130 grand. And a man this so and yo DJ the girl make dance go on bad DJ. The girl them 170 grand.
Them said boss it around the place.
Around the place.
Me they are foreign.
Hey.
So the man them send me 2 video clip and thing and I mean not lie. Me see it me them program the girl them.
Them program them.
But me I tell you say them a go on bad to the song you know. Seeing thing Gone Up and that go on and me I say what?
You must say song go on.
Me I say this song go on wicked. So you know my version keep a event a Spanish Town, remember now you know? It's Kingston and Spanish Town. Spanish Town are too far from Kingston. So me know, gone over there come and say what? Maybe this is a hot song here. Cause you know, as an artist, you like to have a like a hot new song more time. You have a catalog, you know, with the hits them, you know. But you like have a like a hot new song where you hear say boy, it go on the girl them, go on with it and thing. So me go over there now people and thing now and when time I go over there and stay so now and run on the stage now with the song.
Run on. I'm going to show them where you run. Go show them where you run.
No, I can't bother for go get up. Come guys, man, I can't bother for get up.
Hold on, I'm going to show them at the bed. I say guys, hold on, how make the light gone? Do you remember the battery? I want the rope shift because I want to see the battery in your house. So I have a battery on live. I show the property. Anyways, I say guys, Marlon run up with see Mike. I mean, I can't part of them, I don't grind me, no, you know, nobody know. So, in can got it dance, I mean, I can't, such after I dance, this got 2 people know me now. I mean, if you want to wind up, and him come here and say, I want to catch up pink wall before me announce it. I tell you, my dance is Marlon now. A man and Tim go past stage. I tell you, I'm well fat, you know. If I take on 30 pounds after anybody kind of start to call. I see Marlon run up past stage. Run up and I said, Kiprich, in the building. Kiprich, veteran. Marlon run up past stage, TikTok. Yeah, Marlon know it and me. Too much time, I some money and money. I say, yo, I have to go sell money. But I have to block him out of the habit. Because I'm in the past stand still too much. I say, babe, you don't want money to deal with this aim. I have to go sell money because he's sang a guan in Jamaica. He's sang a guan. I watch that man say more than $1 million gonna dance. So he promoting that song.
Well,
and
no,
when you don't cut me say for shame. Because when me do foolishness, when me do foolishness, don't you tell me feel shame, me cuss and go bad?
Yeah.
You feel shame and cuss and go bad.
Alright.
Yeah, man, I run up and see it now with my TikTok family. I mean, I say, yeah, man, this song bigger now, because all the money we spend, the song I must pay. Man, I run up with a confidence, standing tall like a Martin Luther King, about to give the biggest speech in a downtown parade. With his chest high, full of high so chain pan neck and design a boot pan foot. Rolex watch pan in left hand. Chin up in the hair, tall.
Alright, just tell them what going on.
Let me know how good I feel.
Yeah.
Louis Vuitton shirt and jeans shorts.
Alright, yeah.
Spend big money saying get book for show. And he might look the freshest. When man help me mount now. And he start running in front of the crowd. I see him run in front of the crowd and me say, oh, that's a long time, man. Come here, see me go around in front of the crowd, so. Now, man, you know people walk up on stage. He start walk now. It's not walk now.
What, but I say, no, man, you're not, have them thing I have to teach about stage. You don't understand that something there.
So that's why you run out, sir?
Yeah, man, I run out because I run out with that energy. So I ignite the crowd. So I run out now with that energy there.
Then,
so when I run out now, people, hold on, when I run out now.
Let me tell you, babe, what's your name? Let me tell you the story, babe, now that is sweet. Let me tell you why you don't fall. You can back me up. Hold on. You can't talk this, you know, sweet voice. Marlon, no, you say I ignite the stage with that energy. Hey, Marlon. Ting gone up. That's what the girl them say gone up. You don't know with that rock one neck gone up. You don't see how everything reals. No one no broke money in our ears gone up. All the rat bot should we pick. Funny money start hit. That's how we see. You know what?
No, guys. Hold on, me tell you.
If a pin drop in the dance, you don't hear it.
Hold on, me tell you what going on. It's gonna run out. It's gonna run out with this song. We're run out with this song. Alright. You see, you have it so they know this song, people. You have it so they know this song. I run out with this song now. You know, some part of your song you can turn the mic in the crowd and real. Like when I do one of my known song them.
But you do that
hold on. You turn the mic in the crowd. Hold on.
Sorry.
So yeah. So you know, you have it. You know, we are bully for known song. So when you perform a known song, them you perform. You turn the mic out in the crowd and people them sing back the song and. Yeah, I say, yeah, you feel good.
And a big shame, your life.
Yes,
baby, shouldn't turn the mic
guys, when I turn the mic out in the crowd, see people look for me like,
they must say, yo, who the man here?
They were like, they must say,
who the man here?
What do you do? What do you do? Like, what do you do? Because when serious to them know the song. Remember, I just fly in, I not come to Jamaica for a while. And everybody tell me, all I man, tell me, say, yo, the song gone, brother. We ask when the song drop, how the girl them go on and Ray. So me go up there, just big confident now.
They feel shame for you.
Big confident. Shame. My son, I turn the mic out in the crowd and I turn the mic. See me, I look now, I say then, hold on there.
Me say,
then I go so boom again, I sing one other part and I turn the mic out there again. I say, oh, okay, we don't know it. And the girl them say, no, we don't know it. I say, blood cleat, hold on. Change that there. I have to go now for your song where they know you know and go so boom now and you know get back the crowd back
the
in
groove.
Yeah, and I have to build back my show, go right up now and then start give them couple songs now where them know me say yes when I come over I see it.
She like a dog.
I cuss the man them say man.
Babe then rob you.
Me say me cuss him and then me say yo brother, you tell me say all I wanna tell me say this song boss and me left from town. Cause me go to town and me see song I play and I dance in a town and some girl I dance so. And me go Spanish town and I know a song. So what me not understand. All the selector them ask the Spanish town if them don't know this song and the man must say no, we don't know that song they keep up.
Then babes.
I chop the man them chop me. Chop.
Right in your front teeth. You look you still can't talk and you ham out. The man didn't chop you clean, you know, sir.
Chop the man them chop me clean gone. And this song no boss.
Let them hear, sing peace.
What? They gone up?
They must see if it they must see if it sing.
Thing gone up. Alright, sing peace. Like, cut for that joke aside. Hold on, you say, hear the song go. Hold on, you say. You can't say certain things, but you can't cuss certain things.
Just, no man, what I cuss.
You can't say pum like that. You can't say that.
You would say it fast.
I say, Gally pum gifted, what me liquid, what you want for? Hold on a bit. Oh yeah, remember now. Hey, Gally pum gifted, what me liquid, what you want for? If you stuck with a rich kid, now get it twisted, I just business. How you think? Them a gyal a want lift big, body up there, lipo adjusted, bumper tick so, then how she lifting, do a quick spin, another victim, a crash pour the any in our system, thing gone up. That's how the gyal them say gone up. In a nothing with a broke one day gone up. You know see everything raise. No one a broke money now he's gone up. All a rat back chibi pit gone up. From me money come quick gone up. You know see everything raise. No one a gruff money now he's gone up. He gone up in a the this gone up. Sweet and that me no van up. It's not pay, it's that not pay.
No, the bill no pile up.
Yeah, me forget all the song. Yeah, me forget the song.
I mean, make you forget it?
No, you.
You know, remember
but I must say, bad. You see it, I watch a bad song, but you the song never promote. So when them a tell me say the song promote already, yeah, a bad song yes. But them a tell me say the song promote and boss people. So me have it now say yo the song boss.
Then
see
look Omega hardware today. I'm a big old man like hardware chat. A man like hardware. Woman forget things.
Achoo.
Me and keep
and the woman over there behind the cashier.
What no?
The cashier.
Me a drive to parliament meeting today.
Yeah,
I'm in parliament.
Then you want money for
no. Me and him a drive to one chat.
Hey.
Trim of the big car, the green car, but when they love see and the pretty and the kind of different. So people might look and say, no keep on Kizzy, woman forget things. You never pay $1 for nobody play that. You never look for my song, my little song.
No, but hold on, babes. Alright. You see, look, remember say a TikTok build a song there, you know. The woman forget things. You see me? Yeah, it never bust it through. You see the woman forget things. I remember say it's a dub plate me go for do. Cause enough people know the history right, you know. Say it's a dub plate me go for do. And babe say yo, they already me wake me up man. And thing and Ray. The thing where you sing this so why not you have to put a girl song on the rhythm and Ray. And with up on the live and the people must say, yeah man, a true man. See? And I go so boom and she say, yo, do a song I say, woman forget things and Ray. I say, alright, you are going. You see true, I never take it serious. So I say, I don't say nothing in a song really, you know. So I just say, woman forget things. A 2 line I doing in the song, 2 line. I just repeat the line, them I go on, woman forget things. See? And I say, but wait. The people say, no man, this a fireman and babes come in and say, I want peace side too. And she jump night and, you know, love no pay bills, find a rich man, Ray, and chop her peace night and then I check back with the people and I say, people, I don't want to know me, you know, just tell me, you know, if you not really feel like say, if you drop this car. The beat is not even my rhythm. I just use one rhythm when them send come from me the dub plate. So I know my rhythm. You see me? So anyway, the people them say, drop it, keep up. Yeah man, drop it, Ray, tate.
And we are boots, you know.
Yeah. So I say, you know what?
Influence behind that.
If you turn it now, song. What me that for do, me that for give babes a verse. So she DJ a verse in the song. Well, enough people don't really hear the verse, but she DJ in the song.
You can sing it for them.
The verse? Alright, give them the verse.
No, anytime me see broke that sick, me stomach fight hard, no give up, cause you think I go up. Remember where me I come from, man, develop a one part from me noodle alone in a cup. Now you know see me a house a bill up. Take a look in a me driveway, how we up. Me see car, me see van, me see bike, me see truck. I know hype me, just ambitious. Ladies, life out, never will live up. Don't waste time and wait for no luck. Big up me gift cause them from day one. Remember how no fault they big me up. We forget things.
True, man. Alright, then you tell her say that verse enough people they ever hear the verse there. Say she have that verse there upon the song. But the verse there upon the song and thing till to the point right now where is a video me a priest and me go just video that song there and done now. And thing, you know. You see me, even though some people are say a nursery rhyme that a rare and I say watch ya, cool alone in all sense. Every artist want to a nursery rhyme. You see, all your artists are search for song, and you know say we have lyrics galore can build all different kind of lyrics and rare, but every artist are search for one nursery rhyme. You can know nursery rhyme is what? Nursery rhyme is what kids sketch and the older folks, middle age, everybody. Because the biggest song in our world, I bet you never tell me what the biggest song in our world is.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
I don't think I biggest song.
Or
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I biggest song them there in our world. The biggest song them from your one.
And twinkle twinkle.
From your one till you turn the wholest. You hear me say you know them song there. You get what I say? And remember say we are songwriter. Me a songwriter. You see me write a lot of songs where not just me alone. Me not just write for myself. I write for a lot of people to see me. Enough of the hit songs them want to hear upon the street, want to vibe to and rarity. We write them, we will contribute to them there to see me. You know what I mean? We just don't come talk about it, but a lot of you know, the man them know. And rare. Cause you don't know how this thing I go. Ego in and something you know bruise nobody ego and rare. So you know come talk much about them someday. We understand. You see me? But serious note, every artist would love a nursery rhyme. Believe me, I tell you, because nursery rhyme is where everybody catch down to the baby palm breast catch nursery rhyme. You see me? Yeah, man.
Babes, it's all.
Alright.
Yeah,
we know what you say. But
come on,
I'm gonna fix this one way, you know, I said it. But it's fine. We know what she say, people.
Understand, guys? Uno sa Kiprich ang paning baka kaya may cross water. Ang paning baka ton bread in a stone. Stone in a bread. Ang paning baka ton sea na wine. I came up in a middle of flights. Them, I try to buy me 2 good boot. I try to me finish my house. And most of all, I try to head me go career where stuck about 5 years. Probably me couldn't find a song till me find Kiprich. And then one song me find them I try beat down. One of you use up the sound, you know, woman to get things, you know. One of you use up the sound so they can push me up in that music thing, you know, guys.
The more use it, babe, tell them a story.
When one man look me now, I feel like him not like me, you know. You know, me say me fit the man that eat me fit true. Look up man, take up himself. Can't me go hardware today. Eh? You know, a nice big chunk. Can't me go hardware. Buy look material them. Just fly me down from foreign. I fly me back a foreign. Make sure that I'm not desperate, I'm not hungry. Feed me every day. This I'm gonna buy down to your drawers and you wear. So when you look me now, what you really want? Every night, keep your poop on me. You want one woman to keep your poop on?
Yeah.
Sorry, babe.
Boy.
Every night, but you always full of gas.
Boy.
No, but big and serious now. The man you fart for me and say,
What? No, that no?
Alright, sorry.
Yeah.
But when you poop on me something, you say, look at me there, poop on you.
Boy.
Just think about that now. Make us sit up straight. Just think about that now. Una look at woman way. Keep it, you take your hand up and put her on to show you. All in cock the on my front. Nobody money about your money now.
Yes.
Anybody see me walk on the street now, supposed to keep rich cock print from me forehead.
Yes.
Not literally, no, but as you know, see me, so I'm not going to buy him.
They were going to screen that again. That them going that again.
but they understand we are reason. They understand. Yeah. When you see me, I walk come, the first thing I say, oh, you know that. Some of them say, ah, this you would keep rich girl that you know. Some of them say, man, love her, you know, man, John, yo, keep it you man that you know. Man, love her, not take care or not star. So you see me, I walk, I come and wheel my little body, they fly past you. And you depend, hello, I'm going to talk to you. About what? But you going to talk to me, say, again.
Yeah, my dog them see me out of place, you know. When I don't understand how you know hear me know people know hear me know. Then I just say keep on alone and Kiprich and Kizzy. And then I know if you in a car for you. Me I drive past and make me hear Kiprich and Kizzy. Eh?
Because I create that, that's why I tricky and post myself. Because I never like when your phone ring off some nights till you have it on the face. So I decide to go mash up your life and post myself. I'm sorry, babe. I know you like mash up somewhat. But all the woman, they go on the understand, say.
Jesus,
when a woman have something good, she go fight for it.
Hey, them not normally me have drive past. Keep up, I be Kiprich and Kizzy. And them not know if she in a car.
I'm very sorry, ladies, but I'm very sorry, but when you have a good guys, ladies, when you have a good man, you know, say you go through your gate for it. And you're not afraid by money now. You're afraid if answer go bite him out there. You don't know whether if every year say anything but I'm to him. Yeah, you're just afraid by him, so. You know, see me keep on walk one day, and one woman come. Nice, pretty woman, you know. I keep it gear back in number. I'm nearly dead, you know. Nearly catch strokes.
Them people have a family, them
no,
man.
No, everybody not a family, babes. They tell me see a friend for a long time.
Yeah, that's what I mean, like.
You can't do that, babe. Listen me. Guys, don't tell me if me wrong.
Jesus.
Don't tell me if me wrong, guys. This pretty girl will look like me come and Kiprich a gear back in number and say friend from much years ago. And you know, say me and did a walk and me see one man. I couldn't give a one man my number. One just tell me the truth to God love. The girl so pretty and Kiprich I give the girl in number and tell me say, yo babes, you know a long time. But me honestly, feel like
I want to say, want to tell me, I want to think about it. As somebody who know a long time,
yeah,
say like, alright, no, well, me tell them, I explain to them. I want them tell me if I'm wrong and whatever. Alright, the person, as somebody who I know. No, I'm my cousin.
You shouldn't do that, babe. And she disrespectful because I'm not gonna cut you, but she disrespectful because she seen it with you and asking back for your number. Just look at it this way, guys. Look at it this way. You see, sometimes some woman they try to disrespect your woman, and then do it shady. Because there is no way you should have seen man and say give him back your number. Because if she did walk with her man, she would never say that to you. I mean, would never walk with you and stop to a man in a long time and say, yo, take back my number now. It is wrong for true. Yeah. She disrespect me shadily and then do like she had called much kind of brush me off one way. Like she just look and she said, oh hi. She had this me babe, and she had this me for true, I mean no. And she disrespect me, you know, but you cannot see it because you're a man. Remember say we are woman, you know, we know code, you know. But it's because me have respect for you, know. I'm not even going to read up this because I no time and place for that. So I'm going in here now.
Them say me wrong for sure.
I'm going in here and I start to angle because I'm not going to the public space and I'm going to look good, so I just hold my composure and just relax myself. You understand me?
Yeah.
I'm not going to say nothing to her. I just smile with her nice and just not say nothing.
So that call now go answer.
They started coming good and I've been loving it, and then one day I say again and post I'm gonna say, hey, so I'm here girl. I wanted to mash up. I saw what I pushing myself. But me not that again because I'm married now. I have you 1 second now. But when I see she come now, look for me good days and me talk to you. You learn, you know.
Yeah.
And this girl this me in real life, you know.
Sorry about that.
But she know me can't fight her or nothing. She diss me and just gone, you know. And gone with your phone number, you know.
No, I never look at that way.
But Marlon, me change her, me chip.
Yeah.
Me take up, me trip and dash it away.
Me don't say do all of that.
Because me don't want nobody to call me babes. Me not go up par with you and see one sweet face man that look like you. Or even sweeter than you, which is impossible because you're the sweetest man in the world. And then so to him say, oh, give back your number or take up my number right front of you and I'm here apart. You think would I look shaky, babes?
You're right.
So, you know the girl though? I shake up my thing and go and help her friend him now, you know?
No, as I tell you, say.
Man,
yeah.
I know what you think. Remember say me a woman. We are woman know or woman stay. Just like when you see a man aboard and I say, give back your number right front of you. You wouldn't like that, babes.
You're right.
I style girl style me and gone, you know? And take a water from me and gone, you know? If my life, it depends on the time what I did. No make them come to you and push no phone and I ask if the number front of me. If you even want to do it back, babes, not do it front of me, babes. They will go laugh after me a road. I swear to God, if it be.
It can't, my good.
It know if it happen. You see, if you take a number out of respect for me, you could have at least with me swing over this or swing this so.
No, because the reason why, through me I say I don't know me I hide, that's all like.
It's something.
Alright,
babes, it's something. I must never bridge in my phone, you know. I am teaching for drive and everything when I'm about 17. And you see no man on my phone, and you see me one day say, yo, me not trust this, I mean, if you call my sister to verify. And she tell her, say, no, sir. And I'll show you man, Peter say, man, you guys to pick your name business. I say,
yeah, got you a man in name, same.
Because a man in name.
Yeah.
Such a pretty girl like she now, but run up in your face, give back your number right front of me. I start just tell me in a chat. I start just tell me now. Because in a sense now, probably what she is saying, oh, she not have nothing for me or oh, watch him, take her man number front of me. That's how people operate. I'm telling you, then if a man run up on me, babe, and say to me, say, yo,
no,
Kizzy.
maybe two, no, yeah, maybe two, at two home and know them and, you know, like, know them whole family of them and them thing, they like, I mean them, like, been bridging so long, like, I'm a friend them so long.
Babes, I don't think you give me no trouble. As God live it be, me not feel so.
No trouble, no.
Because if one, man slice, you know, on a sharp, you know.
Yeah, the right, that's every
day, babes, me and the mini underpants, mini shirt. Me not think you give me no trouble. But I don't see disrespect. Because a man come and tell you no, say a man pan, you not go believe neither. But if a man fresh up and run up nice now, and he see me, you know, hands in hand and say, yo, Jano, Kizzy this, yo, give me back your number, no Kizzy, I will pull your phone and give me number. You think I gonna look small? A small girl, small, I think I gonna let me know. I'll be flopping her hurt, and I'm gonna tell her friend, you know.
I never look at it, about it.
I understand
what she has to show people.
So